Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to make Behance portfolio. If you are a part of a creative industry and you want to show your work as a portfolio to client, then Behance is the best option and I'll show you how you can create your portfolio on it. So first you have to simply open a browser and there you have to search for Behance. Once you get to this first link, click onto it, you will get onto its website. First, if you would like to, you can explore the website and can check out the portfolio of other users. So you will get the idea what sort of portfolio you can add up there. Then you can click on to login. Once you get to this login option, there you will see the option for create an account. Simply click onto it and by using any one of these, you have to just simply sign up. Then after that, you have to click onto this first option, I'm a creative or a freelancer. Then you will get different categories. Choose based on what type of work you do. I will go with the photography, but you can choose as per your preferences. Simply click onto it and after that you have to click onto this blue option. Based on what category you have selected, then you will get different users and their portfolio. You can check out all of them. You will get the idea what sort of work you can upload and what things most people are using, so you will get the idea. Once you have checked the profile, simply get back and click onto your profile image and then you have to click onto this option Behance profile. Once you get into your profile, then you will be able to create your portfolio. So creating portfolio means you have to upload your multiple projects. So for that reason, you have to click onto this option create a project. Once you click onto it, you will get to this page. Now you have to simply upload the images or any one of these options, whatever you like. As I have selected the images, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select bunch of images from my system. As you can see, this is like that. Now on the right side we have different options, like you can add text, you can add different colors. Like this is your canvas and you are posting your portfolio there like your previous work, so you just have to simply customize as per your preferences. You can add multiple tasks, you can add different sort of color, font sizes to make your portfolio look better. Once you're done customizing your project, then you have to click onto this option and then you have to give it a name like a title. It could be anything based on whatever project it is. You have to just simply write up there. Then we have the option for the tags. Tags are the keywords. If you add tags related to the work you do, so it will be helpful for your clients to search with these keywords and your profile will come up there. Then you have to choose which sort of softwares, tools or elements you use. Like in creative work, most people use Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe's and different softwares. The same way you have to simply add the tools, the softwares or the main stuff that you use. Then you can select the category of your project based on what thing you have done and then you can select the visibility of this portfolio. And if your project has any element related to adultery, then you can select this option. Otherwise, just simply click on publish. After that, your portfolio will be published as a project. Then you will be able to share the link with your clients or any other person, and they will also be able to see your project. So that's how you can build your portfolio on Behance. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.